Okay, so let's look at our agenda for this week. So this week we have 4.4 video notes. This is located in our chapter 4 folder, and then when you're in there, you click on 4.4 and you will see our video notes. Make sure that you answer the questions on the slides, or else I will not be giving full points. And then after that, you will go to Big Ideas and you will complete the 4.4 homework assignment. That's all that we have for this week. But if you have not completed any of the following on the list, then you need to complete those. The semester's almost over, so that means that grades are almost finalized. And so we need to make sure that we have this done. A lot of us are missing the 4.1, 4.3 quiz. This is an 80% grade, and that's located on Schoology in the 4.3 folder. And then you have some assignments like 4.1, 4.2 video notes. You have 4.1, 4.2 big ideas, 4.3 video notes, 4.3 big ideas, and then that chapter 3 retake is available on Schoology at the top of our course, and that's also an 80% grade, and I take your best score out of the two. So if you do the retake, I'll take your best score and I'll replace that in the grade book. And then don't forget that you can also click on the link up here at the top, and that will get you our to our Zoom. Our Zoom times, we have Wednesdays from 9 to 9:45 or Thursdays from 11 to 11:30. And then also you'll notice in red at the top that we have everything good on Sunday at 11:59. So this week things changed a little bit because we're starting back on a Monday. This will be like that for the next 2 weeks. And so for the next 2 Sundays, that's when our stuff will be due. So in our folder, you will see our video notes as well as our place to post our showing work form for our homework. Remember, if you don't do that, I can't give you a 3 out of 3. So that's all we have for this week. So I'm going to let you get started.